How to correctly use FL Studio in Linux. In this video, I'll show you how to correctly run FL Studio on a Linux system.
So to get started, the first thing that you're going to do is to install Lutris. Go to lutris.net and scroll down to find the Linux distribution you're using. Many popular distributions like Linux Mint, Kubuntu, or Subuntu are not listed there because they are based on Ubuntu, and the installation routine is the same as Ubuntu. Now install a wine version in Lutris. Start Lutris from the new shortcut in your applications menu. If you don't have a shortcut, you can start Lutris by typing Lutris in your terminal. Before we can start installing FL Studio, we need to download a version of Wine inside Lutris because under the hood, Lutris is using Wine to run your Windows applications. Now activate the entry with the largest version number. On top of the list, the one with the F-Shack part. Next is to configure Lutris for the FL Studio setup. Now that Wine is installed, we can tell Lutris where to install FL Studio. Just press the large plus button in the Lutris top left corner to add a new game. Lutris is mainly used for games, but it works for applications too. Enter the FL Studio in the name field. Set the runner to Wine and confirm the question. Next, switch to the Game Options tab. Use the Browse button in the executable field to locate the FL Studio setup. If you don't have the setup at hand, download the downloads version from the official image line. You should specify where you want to install FL Studio with the Browse button in the Wine prefix field. Install FL Studio in Lutris. Go to the large panel on the left and click on Games. You should now see a new entry called FL Studio. Double-click the FL Studio entry to start the setup. You should see an info box with a wine glass icon appear. You'll also most likely see a message that reads, "Wine could not find a wine mono package which is needed for .NET applications to work correctly." Wine can automatically download and install it for you. If you see this menu, take the offer and press the install button. If for some reason the wine info box disappears and nothing happens after a while, try starting the setup again. Next is Start FL Studio. Now that the setup is complete, we have to configure the FL Studio entry so it starts FL Studio instead of the setup. Right-click the FL Studio entry and Configure. Go to the Game Options tab. You need to point the executable path to FL Studios.exe file, which is called FL64. This file is located inside a folder you have chosen as your wine prefix path, followed by the folder you have installed FL Studio in. Save the changed path. You can now start FL Studio. This is how FL Studio is going to look like from your Linux. And that's how to download and install FL Studio on Linux.